I'm Steve with Safety Speed Manufacturing here in the Safety Speed Demo Center. We're showing off the Nemesis rail cutter, and the Nemesis is based on the Europa, which is a little bit lighter duty rail cutter. Still that same cutting head, so it slides on the rail. The advantage to these cutters, of course, is on a freehand cut. If it's a thicker material, you can wave on that cut. With the rail, it's riding on that rail the whole time. It's always perpendicular to your cutting surface. The advantage to the Nemesis, and again, just to cover some brief features, underneath is the silicone strips, 2 on this rail, and then 1 actually on the base, which would mount to your table. So that clamps the material in place and won't shift while you're cutting. The Nemesis operates on 2 elevator units, which allow you to, on longer lengths, up to 10 feet, raise that cutter up, and then material can be positioned in place to make the cut, and then lowered back down to clamp the material in place. The Nemesis comes with 3 blades, 100 utility blades. They're medium duty utility blades, so a box of 100 comes with it standard, the acrylic scoring blade, and then lastly the textile cutting wheel. Nemesis is available on lengths of 60-inch, 100-inch, and 120-inch lengths. And now we'll do some cutting demonstrations. Start with some magnetic. And for magnetic, I'll just use the straight utility blade. In a position that has a holder, there's a magnetic hold inside. Put the clamping piece on top, and then that mounts on the back side. And in this model, we really want to adjust that blade depth because there's a cutting channel underneath. And if you cut too deeply, that can damage the blade more quickly. And to set that blade depth, push this down, extend the blade. There's my set. There that is. I'll raise it back up. Feed in the material and lower it back down. And again, those silicone strips are holding that in place along with my weight to make that cut. Quick cut there. The utility blade can be used with vinyl, magnetic, coroplast, foam board, PVC. The acrylic scoring blade we'll go into next. Again, position that in, lower those elevators so it clamps. There again, quick cut. And then we'll switch over to the acrylic scoring blade. We use that same blade holder. And the acrylic blade goes in the very end position. And again, we put that top piece to clamp it in, mount from the back side, and on the acrylic blade, we actually push that all the way to the end and then tighten in. And then based on the thickness of the acrylic, you can score 1 to 2 times. Hold that in. And again, my weight, just score that. And then to snap it, we got the scored surface on front. Put 2 thumbs behind to start that right at the very top. That pops all the way down. And then lastly is our textile cutting wheel. So we'll move that holder. The textile cutting wheel comes in, mounts from the front. Tighten that down. There we go. Do another piece of vinyl. So this could be for fabric, textile. We're going to do vinyl right now. And then again, put my weight on there. Cuts right through. That finishes up the demonstrations. That covers the Nemesis cutter. If you need more information, call your Wensco sales rep or visit wensco.com.